Hey guys, welcome back again. For those who are joining for the first time, my new subscribers, my name is Kylie Harrison and I am a teacher by profession. Now, a few days ago, I did a lesson on comparing place value. However, I did not use the place value chart to compare. We added zeros to the numbers and then cancel the matching zeros. I had a lot of persons asking me to use the place value chart. They want to know how to do it that way. So that's what I'm going to show you today. And I'm promising you it's about 10 minutes long. No more, I promise. All right. So just to backtrack a little bit, the place value chart is what we use to help us to know the value of certain digits or the value of digits within numbers. Remember, numbers are made up of digits. And as we move to the left on the place value chart, the values become 10 times bigger. As we move to the right, the values become 10 times smaller. So if I am at ones and I have a digit at tens, the value of the digit in the tens column is 10 times bigger than the value of the digit in the ones column. If I am at this, there's a digit at 100, the value of the digit in the ones column is 100 times less than the value of the digit here, because here is 100, here is tens, here is 1. So this would be 100 times less than this one. So let's go to the example quickly. How many times larger is the value of the digit 1 in the number 1582 than the value of the digit 1 in the number 3712? Now, first thing we need to do is put our numbers on the place value chart. The first number is 1582, made up of 4 digits, so I'm counting 4 places. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 5, 8, 2. It's 4 digits as well, so I'm starting here. 3, 7, 1, 2. Now I am looking at the digit 1, so I'm going to circle my ones. Now remember, I already added zeros. I could put the number 10 or 100 and 1000, but I like to put the zeros so you know how many zeros are in these, because the words are there already. So tens, 1 0, 100, 2 zeros, thousands, 3, 10,000s, 4. Now here is my 1 in the thousands place and the other one in the tens place. What am I going to do? I'm going to use arrows from this one all the way over to this, but I'm taking steps, so I'm stopping at each column, each place. So I'm starting at the tens column because this 1 is in the tens column, and I'm stopping in the hundreds column. So from here to here, we're moving less, so it gets 10 times bigger. So that's 10. Then I'm going to move to the next column where my 1 is, and again it gets 10 times bigger from here to here. But we're looking at from here to here. So 10, then 100. And here it is, tens, then hundreds, then thousands. So we're counting using our powers of tens. So the first one is 10, then the next one is 100. It simply means this one is 100 times greater than this one. We can do a second example real quick. So this time I am going to be looking for the digit 3. Value of the 3 in both numbers. I'm going to let this 3 stay, and I'm simply going to add a 3 here. So it's 31,000, so I'm adding the 3. So it is 31,582, 31582, and this one remains the same. So I'm not changing this number. I'm going to erase this to make it clearer to you. Take out these. I'm not circling 1 this time. What digit am I circling this time? If you say 3, that's correct. So here's my 3, here's my 3. Since the 3's are here, I'm starting at this one, and I move 1 place, and I'm already at the other 3. So if I move 1 time, that's 10. So the amount of times you move, you can think of it as the amount of zeros that you're going to add. So I move 1 place, it's 1 0, so that's 10 times greater. Now they could have asked you how many times smaller. So they could change larger and say how many times smaller is the digit, let me change the numbers, is the digit 2 in the number 246 than the digit 2 in 27,841. Let me erase these quickly. I promised you it was going to take 10 minutes. I hope I'm not gone over that 10 minutes yet. All right, so how many times smaller is the digit 2 in 246 than the value of the digit 2 in 27,841? I am going to put my numbers on the board. This one has 3 digits, so 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 6. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. So here is 2, here is 7, 8, 4, 1. Remember, when I move to the right, they are getting smaller. When I move to the left, they are getting larger. So now we want to know how many times smaller. So I'm going to move to the right. So I'm moving from 2 to 2. So from the 10,000s column to the hundreds column. I move 1 place. I got to the thousands column. That's 10 times. But I'm not there yet. So I move another place. It takes me to the other 2. That's 100 times. So this 2 is 100 times greater than this 2, or this 2 is 100 times smaller than this 2. So you just flip it. This one is the bigger one. It is 100 times larger. This one is the smaller one. It is 100 times smaller. All right, so there you go. You have 2 different ways you can compare numbers. We looked at one, I think, on Monday or Tuesday. I'm not sure. And then this is another way. So whatever way you're comfortable, boys and girls, use it. So that's the end of that. I promise you 10 minutes. It's 8. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much.